Tonight, a practical idea for writing better prompts. Models read in tokens, not words, so length limits matter. A token is a small piece of text. It might be a whole short word like sun, or part of a longer word like un, brick, above. Spaces and punctuation count too. In English, a rough rule is that a token is about 3 to 4 characters, so a short paragraph can already be a few dozen tokens. The exact split depends on the tokenizer the model uses, but the key point is simple. Text arrives as pieces, not as neat dictionary words. Models keep these pieces in the context window, a span of tokens they can consider at once. Your instructions, your background notes, the question, and sometimes parts of the answer all share that window. When you exceed it, all the tokens get truncated, or you are forced to summarize before continuing. That's why long, wandering prompts can backfire. The crucial constraint you put near the start might slip out of the window by the time the model is generating the ending. You will also notice a behavior shift when the window is crowded. The model becomes generic or forgets earlier details because the attention it can pay to each token spreads thin. This isn't rudeness, it's math. You are asking a finite window to hold too much. So, what helps in practice? Chunking. Break large inputs into smaller pieces and work step by step. Instead of pasting a 50-page PDF, ask for a summary per section. Then merge those summaries into a 1-page brief. Then ask targeted follow-ups. Keep each step comfortably within the window. Priming. Put your role, goal, and constraints up front in a compact format. Use bullets, not prose. Prefer schemas to paragraphs. Audience equals beginners. Tone equals calm. Output equals 5 bullets and 100-word summary. If you need examples, give one short ideal example, not 10. Retrieval. Don't stuff everything into the prompt. Keep your notes in separate store and retrieve only the relevant chunks for the current question. Think. Search. Pick 3 to 5 short excerpts. Feed them with the question. This keeps context fresh, focused, and small. A few extra habits. Compress repeated boilerplate into a 2 to 3 line style guide you reuse. Remove redundancy. Explain simply once it is enough. And, when editing code, send diffs and specific functions rather than the whole files. Takeaway. Models think in tokens and remember within a window. If you chunk big inputs, prime succinctly, and retrieve only what's needed, your prompts stay inside the window, and your results get sharper. Sleep well.